Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. But today we are making an amazing recipe that even the elders will love. Yes, it's the classic pepper chicken. First, let's prepare a marinade. So, today we are using 1 kg of chicken. For that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, and to this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of whole black pepper, and the pepper needs to fry a bit, so do not fry it long, otherwise the pepper will become bitter. So once this is slightly fried, just remove off the flame and let it cool. Next, in the same pan, add about 15 cloves of garlic and fry this a bit. Just the outer of the garlic needs to fry like this, and we are done. Next, add about 3 medium sized onions, that is finely chopped, and cook the onions till they become pale brown. So this is my mother's recipe, and she's been making this for over 40 years now, and I've been making this for more than 20 years myself, and it's a very simple but very tasty recipe. You can see the onions have become pale brown now, so this is the color we want. So just turn off the heat and let this cool completely, and we are going to grind this into a coarse paste. Next, in a mixie jar, add the fried pepper and grind this into a coarse powder, and we are going to first remove some of it and retain this to add it later in case if it's not very spicy. So if you add everything at once, then it may become too spicy. Now next, let's add the fried onions. Make sure that the onions have become cold, otherwise it's very risky to grind this. And grind this into a coarse paste. You can see how coarse this paste is. So I've just added a little water just to, grind this well. Next, I've taken 1 kg chicken with bones. So we are going to marinate this. First, add about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the ground paste, and mix this well. See, this is all the masala that we are going to add to this. And trust me guys, don't think this is very simple, but the flavor and taste is amazing. So let this marinate for 30 minutes, and then we are just going to fry this. Next, to the same pan, we are adding the marinated chicken. And as you can see, I have not added any oil. So whatever oil we added while frying the onion is more than enough. In case if you want, you can add a bit more oil. Okay, now first let this fry on a high flame for about 2-3 minutes so that the outer portion of the chicken gets cooked, as you can see now. Now I'm just covering this and let this cook on a medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can see the chicken has nicely oozed out all its juices. So, and it is almost about 80% done now. And I'm also getting an amazing smell here. It's very appetizing. So at this stage, check the salt and spice. So I'm just tasting some of the gravy. The salt is perfect. Maybe it needs a bit more spice. So I'm just adding some of the pepper powder, what we've retained. You can give this a nice mix and let this dry up a bit. So it depends on how thick or thin you want this. So I like it a bit semi gravy. So I'm going to thicken this up a bit more. Wow, our pepper chicken is ready. I like to have this with rasam rice on a cold day or curd rice on a hot day. and it's an amazing combination with a variety of vegetarian rices. And if you're having a cold, this will be very good to have. And you can see the chicken is perfectly cooked inside as well. It's amazing, guys. Well, I hope you'll try this at home and enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such tasty and healthy recipes, do subscribe to Daddy in the Kitchen. Thank you.